We're 1 year in, so it's time for a channel update and
first partner pack
plus a legendary treasures pack. Let's do this. Hey YouTube, it's Jen.
And it's Mark.
And we are
The Poke Couple.
So in today's video, we are going to be opening up some cards. But first, a quick channel update. We are 1 year in. We are super pumped. We're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. It is summertime. We have been working very hard. So we are going to be going on a little bit of a hiatus on the stream. But we will be back July 31st. But we do have videos planned.
Some shorter videos and some shorts back at the end of July and full swing. Give us a thumbs up.
And make sure you're subscribed to the channel to follow us on our collecting journey. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos.
All right. I don't even know what packs are in here. So.
I don't know. They have been mostly like the Sword and Shield.
We got the open. Oh, Chilling Reign and Sun and Moon.
Here's the big turd twig. We got a big turd twig.
That's cool. Ooh, I like Chimchar. Scratches his butt.
Chimchar, yep. And Piplup.
Piplup. So let us know in the comments, what is your favorite starter? Mine's Piplup because I'm using him in my Diamond and Pearl playthrough.
I thought you were using Chimchar.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah,
I'm using Piplup.
Yes, I think you can open Chilling Reign.
Okay.
How about I go first?
You can go first.
Yes, and then you can finish off with Legendary Treasures. If you missed our last live stream, though, I opened up one pack of Legendary Treasures, and I finally pulled the Gold Zekrom.
It was insane. So
yes.
If you missed that, there are pictures of the cards on our Instagram.
1, 2. Yes,
and we got the Growlithe card, my favorite card in that set.
We got a lot of cards in that one pack. I won't spoil it because it might be on the old shorts or on the old YouTubes, but it was one heck of a banger pack.
It was insane.
Yes, Lillipup, a Bound Sweet, Golduck, and Parasect. Oh, come on.
All right, there you go. All right.
Chilling Reign. Still so many cards we need. Can we keep the gold luck going tonight?
I don't know.
I certainly hope so.
Fingers crossed.
Yes. But if this doesn't work out, we'll take our time with the Legendary Treasures. Yeah. We still need a bunch of cards from this set anyways. Melony.
Yes.
Is it Melanie or Maloney?
I'm gonna say Melanie.
I say things very weird. So.
I know, Mark likes his accents.
But we had our first Pokemon live stream tonight of like the Weezing.
I think he might be new. Like we don't have
maybe
him. There was a couple of rares we were still missing.
But yes, we did our first Dynamax live stream, and it was amazing to say the least.
Yes, there were some super generous people doing some shiny trades with us.
Yes.
I was playing Animal Crossing on the side.
Got my sleeves ready for this, so hopefully. Right. Oh, I see something. I see something.
I did see some sparkles.
I see something.
How many cards is it for this?
This is 3. So
3?
It's 3, and you start off with a Radiant Collection. You can do 2, but we'll just go 3.
Oh, okay. Radiant Collection, Audino. Don't even.
Pumpkin a sleeve ready.
All right, Servine.
I love the artwork in this set.
I'm going a little bit slower.
Yes, take your time with this one. Take your time.
All right.
We'll do some slow rolls because at minimum there's 2 bangers. There could be 3. So let's
see. We're not
Trubbish.
Ooh, that's a neat Trubbish. He's actually in the dump.
There's actually 3 Trubbish cards in this set.
All right, a reverse.
Ooh.
All right. Okay, we got something cool.
Is that textured? No. Oh. Whoa! A TDEX. Yes, brand new. Oh my gosh.
All right, and.
Ooh, Superior!
I always love the Radiant Collection cards because, like, they're just so sparkly.
3 bangers on 1 pack, plus the promos. So, yeah, kind of a quicker video today. Super fun, though. But if you like this kind of content, as usual, give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe to the channel.
And
never forget. Hit that bell so you don't miss any of this Disastery Gong Show.
And until the next live stream, short, video, whatever it is, we'll see you then. Goodbye!